online we ship worldwide. We have been doing that since a long time, and we have shipped to even Fiji Islands, and it's crazy places we have shipped our products to.
Yeah.
Wow.
But offline wise, we are looking at growing it, expanding it this year, next year.
Yeah,
10
offline expansion
years?
is visible.
Hmm.
Online,
Yeah.
you don't
Yeah,
get to see.
yeah.
But offline, we have already 14 stores. 2 more stores next month. So 16 by,
Yeah, but
April
10
end.
years, I think it cannot be just defined by numbers or
Mm.
giving saying that so many more places, so many more this that. But I think just
I-
continuing this journey,
Yeah, I
making
think
this sustainable.
to sustain the whole
yeah.
growth.
But do you
Uh,
think, do you ever see yourself sort of branching out into other kinds of apparel
So
or
we are
jewelry or I mean anything?
We
for that
already are
matter?
there in jewelry,
Already there in
menswear,
jewelry.
kids
Okay.
wear,
Okay.
in smaller
Okay,
bits.
smaller.
Yeah.
And we keep doing things. And a lot of people asked us, are you like putting your hands everywhere? I said, unless we do it, we'll never know. So
Yeah.
if I know it and it's a pilot, if it doesn't work, we'll come back again. But then we
Yeah.
keep doing that. We both are massive risk takers, and I started with it. And that helps because we are never bound by one thing and not stuck to one thing. We pivot also fast when it comes to wrong calls if you have taken. And we equally take calls fast. So
Yeah, I think you have to change with how the world is changing, how situations change, to pivot. And honestly, we are launching, one of the next launches is the kurta launch. And if we think, there's so many brands doing that and
Yeah.
great things they are doing. But if my product, which we are honestly very proud of, and we think that nobody has done what we are doing, there will be a market for that.
Yeah.
And hence, things when we design, when our design team is making something, and we see that this, like, I know people would love to have these in their wardrobes.
Yes.
We must do it. That's how we're gonna, grow our ranges, the other lines that we're growing. And there's nothing like a target number. Itna crore
yeah,
karna hai,
I don't want to say, yeah,
you know,
yeah,
just
of course,
rush
of
behind
course,
it.
yeah,
And
yeah.
that's the freedom that you have when you're growing it yourself.